Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You'll start by confirming your insider status and protecting your system. Open Settings and go to Windows Update, then Windows Insider Program to see your build and channel. Once done, back up important files and create a restore point so you can recover if something goes wrong. Next, choose to switch to the release preview or opt out of new preview builds. Doing this now prevents future unstable updates while we prepare to fully exit the program. You'll now perform the middle steps to remove insider access. In Settings, Windows Insider Program, select Stop Getting Preview Builds and follow prompts to opt out. This ends automatic insider updates. Make sure to sign out or remove the Microsoft account linked to the insider enrollment if you used one, because account links can re-enroll devices. Then restart the PC and immediately check Windows Update to verify the system shows standard updates instead of preview builds. Finish by returning to a stable release or reinstalling Windows if needed. If you're within the rollback window, go to Settings Recovery and choose Go Back to the previous version. That restores a stable build. If rollback isn't available, download official installation media and perform a clean install to remove insider artifacts. Make sure to reinstall drivers and restore files from backup. If something goes wrong, boot into safe mode or recreate installation media on another PC to troubleshoot.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.